Hi guys, this is Mark. In this video I will talk about the color data type available in Backendless database. It is a quite convenient data type when you build a web application or a mobile app with UI Builder and you need to encode and store colors for whatever properties that represent colors. And this could be for customizing your UI, or if the user selects a certain color and you need to save it in the database. You will see the way it works, and it's going to become very, very clear. The color data type is a shortcut for strings, but very specialized shortcut. The actual data, when you save it, it will be returned to you back through the API as a string value. However, the actual value is going to be a hexadecimal number encoded as a string, which is how web and hybrid mobile applications work with colors anyway. So here, let's create a column that would be of the color data type. As you can see, we already have iColor that has the multiple choice data type, but we will use color data type to represent hair color. So let's create a new column. Let's call it hair color and select color as the data type. There is a default value that you can assign. The default value is used when you store a new object and it doesn't have, let's say, this property hair color, then the default value would apply. Click create and let's see what happens in data browser. So now we have this hair color column with the color data type, and then by default there is no color because Backendless didn't know what to assign and we didn't specify the default value. So to assign a value to a record, just click on this area and you get this color selector. So you can just click around, or you can change in the slider the actual I'm not sure what it's called, but you can pick the actual color and then select variations of that color. So if it is, let's say we have hair color, let's make it kind of reddish, right? So that's it. And then in here, we're going to make it more of a, I don't know how to select a blonde color, but anyway, you get the idea. So now these colors are selected for these two records, and let's say Joe has this color, and let's see how the database returns that value when we retrieve that object. So for this, I go to REST console, and the query will be name equals Joe. Click get. And in the response, the hair color, as you can see, it is a string value that contains this color code as a hexadecimal value. The pound sign is there just because in web and hybrid applications, that's how the colors are encoded, and that's the format that is expected on the client side. Likewise, when you save a new object, and we will create one right now. So let's say name is going to be Kenny, and hair color will be pound, and I'm just gonna type up some color. I'm not really sure what it is. I'm sorry, this needs to be pound sign. So when we click put, the value is stored, and this is going to be the hair color that we have assigned. And if we go back to data browser, well, Kenny got this hair color, as you can see. So quite convenient, and not only you can visualize it and see exactly what colors are in data browser, but in the future, and it's going to be in the very near future, we will be providing a way to visualize data through a feature that we call visualizations. We haven't announced it yet, but all of these selections will be quite helpful in visualizations where you can easily see all the data properties and their values visualized through elements like this. I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy coding.